Welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, on this video, this is part 2. Before you buy that guru information regarding Amazon, you want to watch these videos and see if it's for you. If you want to spend $10,000 or $2,000 or $4,000 on their course, then fine, so be it. But this is a lot of basic information that they're going to try to sell you uh, for uh, a tons of amount of money. And I also reached out to my friend Tyler Nelson. Tyler Nelson, him and I both came in at the same time. He actually owns a distribution center now because he went real hard, balls to the walls with the Amazon, and I was actually working working a job and just using it as a side hustle. But he's actually made a pretty good income off it. And then we're gonna just have him on the channel whenever he's free. Right now, he's kind of busy with his distribution center and getting his products out. And he will actually, I'll actually ask him if you guys once you guys get rolling, maybe they can you can send your stuff to him, and maybe he can help you guys out there. Um, totally free. I won't. There's no charge on any of this stuff. All this stuff is free content. So if if you want to pay somebody some money to do it, I just suggest you donate it to the Make a Wish or Ronald McDonald House or anything like that. I don't need the money because I can make money off Amazon. That's why I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, so the first video I was just running through the whole basics of Amazon on how you set up your account. You can also look in Sellers University on how to actually detail your account and get it branded and the logo and all that good stuff. Just go into Sellers University in the first video, and I showed you how to do that. Now we need to know what products and how to add products. So there's the best uh, service that I found was Jungle Scout. Now Jungle Scout does have right now a 50% off for the first month. And what's Jungle Scout is if you put your information in about the product, it'll tell you where it ranks, how much it sells for, how much of a profit it goes for. So they have a tutorial here if you like to see how everything is synced. So I actually started a new account just so you guys can actually see. I had a prior account, but just so you guys can actually see how it works. Oh, so okay, so you will just select your region, which is North America for me, and then your primary marketplace, which is the United States for me. And hit continue. Okay, guys, I'm going to actually go in and get my information for this, and then I'll come back, and then once we're back in there, I'll show you how it works. I just don't want you guys to see my actual information so you can't steal my stuff. Okay, guys, so we're actually in after we inputted our details from our Amazon store. So we're going to actually launch Skype. Let me see. You gotta have Google Chrome. I don't like using Google Chrome. Okay. Alright. But that's for the extension. You really don't need the extension right now. So to get started here, they do have get started. This is where you search your products, your suppliers. If you need the keywords, you can launch a product and then the sales analysis and then your inventory. So it's going to take 24 hours for them to link up to my inventory. So in the next video, I'll actually show you how that inventory and things work there. That's for the extension, of course. And then there's the academy here. And what the academy is it actually shows you how to actually use the Jungle Scout. Something went wrong. Maybe because I'm not using Google Chrome right now. And that's only because it's running slow for me right now. I gotta clean my computer, but uh, I don't want to hold up the video of my products. Of course, I told you it's gonna take about 24 hours for my inventory and stuff to actually get over it. Sorry, get on there. This is actually you. This is an actual recording that I recorded live. So, supplier database. So let's go to find product. Let's go to product database. Okay, and we can just choose a yeah. Let's just choose the first thing we want to do here. Uh, so you'll choose a category. You can choose all of them if you want. Uh, FBA. So if we're doing FBA, it's FBA or fulfilled by merchant, which is yourself. And then I always want to go standard. Minimum price. Okay. Let's see, minimum price. Just search. We'll just hit search. Okay, what you're seeing on your screen here is the actual breakdown of things. So what you want to do is read from left to right. So this is the actual product. This is the where how you search it on Amazon. The category, the monthly revenue. So generally the monthly revenue. So how many people are actually buying it. The number of people that's selling it. Monthly sales is at 28. Price is after the fees. So it sells for $28. The profit of it is $19. So in order for you to make a good profit after the breakdown, you will have to probably find this product for, I don't know, maybe five, no more than $10 in order for you to make a healthy product. But you have to know where's your sales rank. The lower the sales rank, the faster it'll go. So this is a very, 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 very slow moving product. So is this piece of my Hello Kitty. That's 16 million. That's the sales rank of 16 million. We go down here. This is just books and CDs. Okay. So yeah, that's how it. This is 2 million. No data on this. So this must be somebody's own product. And then you'll find, and sometimes you'll find where people bundle stuff, like bundle cheap products that they find at a dollar store and make it a bundle and then sell it for a hefty price. And a lot of those things don't move as well. Let's see. Let's see if we can get out of the book. See, this is a little bit better. Okay, so this vitamin, whatever it is. So, although this vitamin thing and it sells, it sells about 21 times there. So, although this vitamin and this antioxidant serum is selling at a monthly profit revenue of almost $800, this is a gated. Remember, I was telling you guys on the first video about stuff being gated, and you have to get a sales or approval or anything like that. Beauty is one of the harder ones to get into because of you gotta have FDA and not FDA. Yeah, FDA. It can be some products. Your products got to be labeled real good. So beauty is very hard to get into. Look at some of these sales rank, and generally, guys, you don't want to have sales rank like this. So if you find stuff like this, even though it sells a lot, $5 million is a lot of money. And so it sells in monthly sales is about $45. Yeah, all these books. I'm just using books, guys. Just so you guys can get an idea. And these and books and things like that are some of the things you're gonna actually. Oh, this is actually a good product here. 43 labels. Yeah, because when you first starting off on your FBA journey, you're not gonna want to spend a whole lot of money on a whole lot of junk stuff. So the books are fantastic to start with, just so you can get into the habit of sending things to Amazon and making sure how you get the labels and stuff. So we're actually going to go through all that stuff further down the line on how to pack and send profitable products to Amazon. It's very easy. You can get your own. They got their own labeling system where you can just cut out the labels and uh, send them UPS or postal or a FedEx. So yeah, guys, this is 2 million here. And clothes are a very tricky thing because you get a lot of return on clothes because uh, just because it looks like a certain size might not be the same size as the person. So you'll get a lot of. I say stay away from clothes. The main thing I like to sell is toys. Toys move really, really fast. What else? Uh, Kitchen, dining stuff like this, where you can get very cheap, but you gotta actually make sure you actually log this stuff in. And let's see, let's go to keyword. Yeah, okay, guys, this is the keyword scout. So you can actually put in a keyword. We're gonna just use something very generic. Let's put something that you can actually sell. Let's say it's beach towels. Beach towel. Hit search. All right, so these are beach towels. As you can see, this is the volume of people actually searching for it. They have a 30-day trend, and then a 90-day trend, and then the search volume. So how many people are actually searching for them. And beach towels for girls. Oh wow, it's all the trend. The trend is up for this one. Is very. So if you can get beach towels, let's look at it on Amazon. You can search it on Amazon here. Okay, so it just has a wide variety of beach towels. Okay, for little girls. So if you can find some beach towels for little girls, it's actually selling pretty quick. Now the thing is to get on the first page because there's going to be a lot of. It's got 7 pages of beach towels, and I'm actually going to show you how to actually get on the front page per se. It's not an exact science on how to get on the front page, but I do have some tricks of the trade to get on the front page. All right, let's go back to here. Okay, so beach towels, pool towels, oversized towels. So I'm only doing things like this for you to see. These are products that you can actually. These are products that you actually can find in the stores, or you can maybe find on a clearance rack. You can maybe upsell it on Amazon and find it that way. Now, Amazon choice and Amazon sponsored products. Try to stay away from those. So if you see a where it says sponsor Amazon sponsored, try to stay away from those products. Or you can let's see. We'll click on it and see how because you're not gonna compete with Amazon. So Amazon has that in stock already. Let's see, they don't even have other sellers on this. So yeah, this may be a banned product that you can't sell on Amazon. But again, guys, this is just generic information that people are trying to sell to you. You can actually build a list of keywords. Okay, so you can actually optimize it, draft a list, and again, guys, you can go through the actual tutorials and training where you don't actually have to need anybody to show you, because they'll actually break it down step by step by step by step by step. So I advise you guys to go through the tutorials and the training. Okay, guys, this is just so you can get some keyword information research. The next video, I'm going to actually show you how to get products. So there's 3 ways of doing it. Well, actually 4 ways. There's drop shipping. There's OA, which is online arbitrage. There's retail arbitrage, where you actually go out and buy products. And then there's wholesale. And I know a lot of people are trying to get people to buy into wholesale. And wholesale is basically, you can find stuff on Alibaba or AliExpress or any other wholesaler, get them shipped to Amazon or under your brand label or under your brand, or partnering with different other wholesale or other product producers selling their products for slightly uptick. You get it at a retail value, not a retail, but wholesale value, and then bring it up to a retail value. So we'll go through that within the next couple videos. Click like, subscribe. Again, all this information is free. If you wanna spend your money, I suggest you donate it to like the Wildlife Fund or something like that, or just keep it in your pocket. Take your wife or your spouse out for a dinner or something. We'll see you next time on the channel.